In the process of creating and managing a workshop within Octobrain, follow these steps to efficiently set up all necessary details and configurations. Access the Activities section. You can set up workshops, events and competitions in the Activities. You can check the activities, workshops you are managing under My Workshops. You can also check suggested workshops that are happening around you or matches your interests. You can search workshops here. Now let's create a workshop for our academy. Activities are based on club. So, select the parent club for the workshop we will be creating. For example, we will be creating a workshop for Robotics Academy, so select the desired club. Now let's provide workshop details to create the workshop. Let's start with workshop logo, banner and host image. Continue with the upload process. Proceed with the upload process. Enter the workshop name. Specify the workshop name. Provide the certification information for the workshop, whether a certificate will be given after completing the workshop. Provide the details about the challenges or workshop difficulty. Select the workshop start date. Access the workshop duration section to provide your workshop duration. Access the workshop location section and enter the workshop location. Enter the workshop location. Enter the host name. If the workshop is hosted by any other party or sponsor, provide their name. Enter the host name. Specify the host name. Provide the workshop host, sponsor's website link. Enter the host's link or the CTA link for the host, sponsor. Enter the CTA button text. Enter the test details. Specify the test type. Now let's provide the workshop category. Since it's a robotic workshop, we will be choosing tags like robotics, science, technology, etc. which relates to our workshop. Choose the engineering category. Select the robotics category. Choose the science category. Provide a detailed workshop description. Provide a detailed workshop description. Access the course content section and enter the details. Enter competition details. Provide information on problem-solving and innovation challenges. Provide the workshop rules. Access the resource hub. Select True option. Select True option. Set the workshop as private. Congratulations! Your workshop has been successfully created. Students can now browse, sign up, and participate in this exciting learning opportunity. Whether they're looking to sharpen their skills or explore something new, your workshop is just a few clicks away. Keep an eye on registrations, track payments, and watch as students engage with your content. Select Dhaka as the location. Let's create something extraordinary together. Access the workshop about, outline, resources and participants from this section. Expand for more details. Expand for more details. Access the resources section. You will find workshop materials, lessons, PDFs here. Access participant information. You can check participants, requests for joining the workshop. You have control over who can enroll in your workshop. Choose whether to enroll or decline participant request. Navigate to the specified section. Access the connections section. Access total workshop information. Access total student information. Access total student information. Navigate to the specified section. This guide covered the detailed steps to create and manage a workshop for institute, school, vendor training within the Octobrain application, ensuring a seamless setup of activities, resources, and participant information.